Hi everyone, my name is Candy Sherwin. I certainly appreciate you coming to my YouTube channel. This is a tutorial for the dance Cowgirls. It is a song by Morgan Wallen, choreographed by Sean Monahan, 4 walls, 32 counts, intermediate, no tags, no restarts, but some funky, interesting, really fun counts that'll take us a little bit. This is my little puppy Scully, who's laying here taking a nap, and we're going to learn this dance. Here we go. Start with that right foot. We're going to do a little stomp forward, stomp, recover back on the left. Back, back, out, out, shift to the right, shift to the left, triple with a quarter turn. With counts, we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now that first count of 8, the stomp, it's a stomp and a recover, and you'll kind of naturally get that roll if you put that weight forward on it. Gives you a little bit of a body roll before you shift it back, all right? So at our second wall here, we just ended on our right foot, brush into a little hitch, and 1, pop it, 2, right heel, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and drag, step. Do that again for you. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and drag, step. I'm going to turn my back on you to make sure you can see the footwork on that. So it looks like this again. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. You finish weighted on your left. I'm going to show you the next choreo at this wall. It'll be easier for you to see, and then I'll put it back at the correct wall. Okay? We're going to go into a mambo, crossing mambo. So we're going to go side, rock, cross, but move to your diagonal. So that will be there, right? And then from there, so you're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and that's a little lock. This is going to be another rock, recover. Rock, recover, step, heel, step, toe. That is all done on the diagonal once that mambo moves you. So the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now I'm going to go to this wall and do it with you. Mambo, right side, 7, 8, 1 and 2, left foot, 3 and 4, lock, rock, recover, step, heel, step, toe. Let's go back to the very beginning and see if we can make sense of this. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and rock and roll, 6, triple, 7 and scuff, and 1, pop, 2. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, drag, 7, here's your mambo. 1 and 2, corner, 3 and 4, lock, rock, recover, step, heel, step, toe. We're on the last count of 8. I will do it, actually, should I do it this way? I'll do it here and then I'll turn for you. This is a little flick kick. You're going to turn, you're on this corner, you're going to face the other corner. So you're going to go kick, step, toe. You're going to do another kick back to this corner, kick, this one step, heel, okay? And then, so the counts on that are 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Do a little step, heel, and 5, you're still in the corner, hitch, hook it up, and 6, step, heel, but square yourself off, and 7, bring it in, and 8, and. So that's essentially 3 steps. I know that's a lot of little and counts, but it's really fun to do. I'm going to turn my back and make it easy for you. So we're here. You have 1 and 2. This was to the heel. 3 and 4. Step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. But of course you'll get this wall. Okay? We're gonna go back to the beginning. I'm gonna do it really, really slowly from the top, and then we'll try to make our way around to the different, at least for 2 different walls, and then we'll do it with some music, okay? Now remember, when we get to the music, if you want to slow it down, when you go to the page on the bottom of the video, you've got the little gear, the wheel. If you hit that, you can see there'll be a playback speed, and you can slow it down so that when your brain goes, whoa, you can put it at a speed that it doesn't explode quite so quickly. All right? All right, from the top. Here we go. Right foot. 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Turn. 7 and 8, and 1. Pop. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and to the corner. 3 and 4. Lock. Rock. Recover. Step. Heel and toe. Kick it out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, a 3 and 4, and roll. 6, turn a quarter. 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Here's your kick. 1 and 2 with the heel, 3 and 4, switch, 5, hitch, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? So, I'm going to turn around. We're going to try this with a little bit of music. I will do my best not to make a mistake. And I hope that you enjoy this. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and comment. That would make me really happy, and Scully too. All right, here we go. Stomp, 4, roll, 1, 2, right, left, roll. And jump, pop, 3 and 4, and 5, drag it back. Whoops, left foot, boy, sorry about that. 3 and 4, and drop. Heel and toe, kick. Here we go. I was thrown by the fact that my dog decided to roll over into what my family calls jump to the wind, and while we were recording. So thank you for that, Scully. Hey you guys, thanks so much for coming in and tuning in and dealing with my antics while I teach. Remember, if you're not a subscriber, please do. And I always put the step sheet for this dance in the description, so if you need to double check that, reach out to me at any time. And when you're in the Los Angeles area, please reach out. I'd love to dance with you so that I can see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.